And on to our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. This one is Pieces.app. I'll be honest, we were discussing this earlier. Pieces kind of is buzzword heavy. So we're going to try to distill it down for you, and we'll probably lose some of what makes it great, but it seems to be a snippet manager that does on-device AI tagging and categorizing, trying to surface it when you need it again. They have lots more that they want to talk about that, and I encourage you to check out their website. They have a video that goes over it, and hopefully you can discover exactly what they're looking to do. It was recommended to us because, one, it is on device, so this isn't sending any of your code somewhere else like GitHub Copilot is, so if that's a concern for you. And additionally, James Moberg, who's one of our Patreon supporters, has helped pressure them to get CFML support in Pieces. So it already supports CFML as you add those snippets to your code. So there is there's an app for your for Windows or Mac. There's an app or an extension for VS Code. There is a Chrome extension as well, so you can have it everywhere to clip where you need. So
I will be checking this out. It sounds somewhat similar to another tool that I really like that kind of went away. I don't know if you remember Codiga from last year. I was really excited about it, and they added ColdFusion support. And then they got bought out by another company, and that was the end of that.
Maybe they got bought out by Pieces.
I don't think so.
Probably not.
It was good for them because I saw who they got bought out by. I'm like, oh, good for you guys. That's awesome. But it was also sad because I really liked what that was doing.
So that is Pieces.app, and that will get you links to all these other, all the downloads that you need to get going on that one.
Sweet.
That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.